Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We still remain in positive MACD and we're currently resting right above the 50 moving average, the ZL line, currently at the price of $1,859. As for the 4-hour chart, we have now approached to positive MACD and we may encounter temporary resistance with the 100 and 150 moving averages, the orange and red lines, and they coincide at the price of $1,878, and that will be our temporary resistance. With the daily chart, we still remain in slightly negative MACD, and we're currently resting right along the 200-day moving average, this green line, now at the price of $1,847. If we were to head up higher, the next resistance will be where we encounter the 100 moving average, this orange line, at the price of $1,889. And as for support, that will be the 200-day moving average, this green line, at the price of $1,847. If we were to test support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 1.03%, and to test resistance, that is around 1.3% to the upside. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is going to be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $167.29, and that is this range here, and that coincided with support in the past that dated back to November 30th. My sell target for it is at $179.89, and my stop loss is at $162.61. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $182.69, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $172.19, and my stop loss is at $187.81. So whichever entry price would hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 59% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 4%, a 5% chance to climb between 4 to 9%, and to the downside, a 32% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 9%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.